No longer a subject of science fiction, a car that can fly like a regular airplane, but then land, fold up its wings and drive away, debuted in Boston on Wednesday.
Drive on the road, gas up at a normal gas station, and park in a single-car garage. It has been called the first practical flying car by some, but our team prefers to think of it as a personal airplane with the unique ability to drive on the highway, a roadable aircraft or a street-legal airplane.
Its first test flight was on March 5th, where the company's test pilot took the plane into the air for several thousand meters and then landed back on the runway.
When I reached the planned takeoff speed, I pulled back on the control stick. The vehicle came smoothly and positively in the air. Now, a word about control systems at this point. In the car mode on the ground, we have a steering wheel, a gas pedal on the floor for your foot, and a brake on the floor for your foot. All the controls of a normal car so that any driver
will need a sport pilot rating from the FAA, something that Terrafugia said could be attained after 20 hours of flight time in a transition-specific course. After a flight, the plane's wings fold in half and mechanically retract once the engine is off and the pilot enters a PIN number on the cockpit panel. As a car, it can drive on roads at 105 kilometers an hour and achieve up to 30 miles per gallon. In the air, it cruises at 185 kilometers an hour with its 100-horsepower engine. The plane has 4 wheels, an uncommon feature on general aviation aircraft, a safety cage and crumple zone, side impact protection, and a parachute that will lower the plane to the ground in case of mid-air engine failure. The transition will be available in 2011 for $194,000 US. It already has 40 people on its waiting list, all of whom needed to pay a $10,000 refundable deposit on the plane. According to the company, many of the buyers are in or near retirement and already have their pilot's licenses. For the IDG News Service, I'm Nick Barber reporting from Boston.